Hi, I'm Kevin Inkster and welcome to my shed. We're going to be doing a whole bunch of different projects. I'm going to invite different people to come onto the channel and we'll make all kinds of cool stuff. A coffee table, carve a chicken, cheese boards out of fish, beautiful breakfast tray, a reindeer head, a shark, birdhouse. I think the birds are going to like it. So you can see there, it's very, very fine. We heat up some beeswax to about 150 degrees. I noticed that each piece has been docked off because it contains a flaw. I keep using this phrase, features, not flaws. Tell us about what you're going to do here, Vince. Well, it may work, it may not work, but let's find out. Here goes.